Hi, welcome to One Wellness Center. My name is Dr. Chibuke and I'll be taking you around on a tour on our fantastic facility. This is our Prestige members only waiting room. Now, when you become a Prestige member of the One Wellness Clinic, you have access to dedicated nurses, entrances, and other perks which include discounts on medication and services. Here's our gynecology consulting room. We do have minor procedures in here as well. So the latest technology in ultrasonography is the 4D, where you can see how the baby is in utero and you can be screened. So welcome to the clinical part of the clinic. Here we have our nursing room, our nursing station, and we have a fully equipped theater with a functional anesthetic machine, hysteroscopy machine, and scan machine as well. Now in this theater, there is a small window that leads you straight to the embryology lab. That's because gametes, egg, sperm really don't like light. Yeah. So you don't need, and also for aseptic reasons, we don't want to pass those gametes through the hallway. So there's a small opening, and that window leads us straight to the embryology lab. Now, this embryology lab is fingerprint and PIN enabled. But for the purpose of this tour, I've asked my wonderful embryologist to let us in. In here, we have our micro manipulator. So we use this for ICSI, intracytoplasmic injection, sperm injection. So we take one sperm and one egg, and we inject the sperm into the egg. Unlike the traditional IVF, where you leave the egg and lots of sperms to fertilize by themselves. Now, when work is being done, the light is off and this lamp is on. Remember I talked about the gametes being sensitive to light. So this is our slit lamp. This is another big boy microscope. I'm sure the embryologist would have done a better job at giving you better details. This is our incubator. Now in this room, unfortunately I can't open it, is where we have our eggs and sperm and embryos frozen. This is our sperm bank, our egg bank and embryo bank.
So people come to donate sperm here often?
Yes, people come here to donate sperm, and people come here to store their sperm because they want to use it for future purposes. Now, we get a lot of questions. How about NEPA? What's in NEPA takes light? What's if this? What's if that? First off, even though we are a clinic and at the moment we don't run 24-hour service, we still have 24-hour power, right? We have 2 backup generators, we have UPS and we have an inverter. That aside, we do not freeze gametes in freezers. We do not use electricity to freeze gametes.
What do you use?
We use liquid nitrogen and its vapors. Now what this does is that it freezes sperm, eggs and embryos to minus 139 degrees. So it's quite cold without damaging the integrity of this gamete. Now this window
is the one you showed me
from the theater. Exactly. So please come with me after you. Yeah, that's the alarm.
Oh.
So nobody can actually go in through this door without the embryologist okaying it. Here's our andrology lab. This is our male lab. We do sperm washing, sperm sorting.
How do you wash sperms?
Well, not with soap and water, but we know that sperm is delivered in semen. So what we do here, we try to remove the semen and take the sperm cells, pick out the ones that we think will work for us and for the patients, of course, ultimately. So that happens in here. This is our pharmacy. That's our pharmacy. So this is where we keep all our medications stored and all of that. If you notice our rooms, we have very cool names.
Yeah.
This is Aspasia, that's Nelumbo. Now Nelumbo is a male species lotus flower. This is where we collect sperm samples. This is where sperm samples are produced. So this is Aspasia. This is our observation room. Before procedures, after procedures, this is where we have our patients relax. After procedures, this is where we monitor them and make sure they're fit to go home. And we have 2 other observation rooms, Vanda and Leila. So yes, you do see that there are two beds, but you'd hardly see occasions where we have two people at the same time in your ward, so that your privacy is guaranteed. All our rooms are screened.
Yeah, the springs.
Yes.
Oh, it's like no one knows who is in
Exactly.
the other side.
Exactly. And then we have our lab. Yes. It's our lab science. So this is where we take our samples, this is where we run investigations and all of that. So
Thank you.
I hope you like it.
Yeah. Can you tell me again about what you said about how you purposely designed it to not be too clinical, to help people's minds? Why is that important?
I think your state of mind plays a very big role in the outcome of whatever intervention or treatment you're going to receive in here. I mean, from when you're walking, you have very beautiful, if I might say so myself, front desk who are well-mannered, well-cultured, and they welcome you with a smile. I mean, a smile is actually very healing. And then from the ambience to our decor to the aroma or the smell of the clinic, it just makes you feel more relaxed. So we see a lot of people who have hospital anxiety, once they walk in here, they're more at ease and receptive to whatever protocols we want to use with them.
And you mentioned that you also offer some therapy.
Yes. Now, to further emphasize how we think your mental health, we dictate how the outcome of your procedure is. We offer complimentary psychotherapy sessions, as much as 4 psychotherapy sessions for people who were undergoing intrauterine insemination and IVF.
What's the success rate like?
One of the industry's best. Our success rate for IVF is, our team of doctors have a success rate of 65%, and that's, industry leading. We have the latest technology, even from as simple as our scan machine.
How affordable are you guys?
We are very affordable. Remember that good healthcare is not cheap, however, we're very affordable. We offer world-class healthcare services here. There's no need to travel. Everything, what you're looking for in Sokoto is in your Sokoto. So, and for a fraction of the cost, we are very affordable.
Thank you so much for this tour.
One Wellness Center, we can't wait to have you because we want to make you get well, be well, and stay well. We are the health experts.